Hi, I'm Alan O'Neill, owner and president of Abacus Plumbing Company, and here's another tip from Abacus.
Sometimes it may take a couple of minutes to get hot water to bathrooms located a long way from the water heater. We have a solution. We can install a small pump on the water system that will get your hot water there in a jiffy. It's usually installed within a couple of hours, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without one. To install a water heater pump, call Abacus Plumbing. You can count on us.